guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be filming a eye makeup tutorial for you guys, and I'll be focusing on a bright colour using one palette only, which will be the Huda Beauty Nude palette. So I really hope you enjoy watching this video, and yeah, please don't forget to subscribe guys. I'm going to first go in with my Soft Ochre Pro Longwear paint pot, which is a really nice primer for your eye makeup. So I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. The next step is to go in with a translucent setting powder. So this can be any setting powder. I'm just going to go in with my Huda Beauty one and just sort of pat this in all over. The first colour that I'm going to go in, so the palette that I'm using is the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Lace as a base, and I'm going to pop this all over my eyelid. So get some product onto your brush, tap it off, and then circle motions and blend it out. We're taking this far up the crease, so I want you to make sure that you do take it above the eyelid also, and then buff it into the eye. The next colour I'm going to go in with is Tease, which is just the darker pigment there. And this one, I'm going to go in towards the corner of my eye and then bring it in to just deepen this lilac shade. So it just gives it a bit of a depth. I'm just going to add a little bit more to this side. And then bring it in, and once again I'm taking it quite high with the excess, and I'm just going to do that one more time. Just using the darker shade in the crease and just patting that and then buffing it out onto the lid. I'm quite happy with the eyes in this actual shade, so now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, and I'm only going to do the eyeliner on the edges of my eyes, and I'm going to do a straight line, so it looks like a straight line, sorry, when you close your eyes. The eyeliner that I'm going to use is my NYX eyeliner, and literally so first start off by creating a line, as you can see. Perfect. So first start with the line, and now we're going to bring it in the angle from the edge. So we've just created the angle. Let me turn this way. And now we're just going to fill that in. And that's the eyeliner there. Eyeliner done guys, on both sides. and it's literally just elongating the eyes. It's already just changed the shape of how my eye looks. So now we're just going to go in and do the base, and then I'm going to come back to the eyes for you guys. I'm just going to show you how I'm going to finish off the eyes. So I'm going to go back in with the shade Lace, and using a very pointed brush, I'm literally bringing this from the corners of my eyes into the middle of my eye. And I'm going to do this a couple of times. I'm just going to keep bringing this in, and then I'm going to do the same from the inner corner. I'm going to go outwards. A slight buffing brush, and I'm just going to bring that in a bit more, still using the same colour. And I'm just going to even the edges out a bit, so I'm going to take it down and then up, and then back up again. And I'm bringing this quite low onto my lower eye, in with my nude liner, and just apply this to my waterline and just curl my lashes. And I'm going to apply some lashes, so I'm not going to put too much mascara on. They're a little bit heavy. They're the TL17 lashes by Tati. So I want to show you what I do and how I cut these lashes. So first I take the lash off, and then I will literally just measure the length on my eyes, and they will always need cutting. My lashes, and I snip off the ends. So I've taken both the ends off, and then I'll go and just apply a thin line of this along the lashes. Like that. Once it feels a bit tacky, then I'm using my Sephora eyelash applicator, and then I literally use a mirror, get quite close, and then I look down. Once I look down, I apply this directly onto my eyes. So let's see what happens. Okay, now that that's on, using the lash applicator, I start by making sure the edges are on, and then I make sure that the inner corner is stuck. It's both the lash and the false eyelashes together. Bad Girl Bang, and apply this. I hope you've enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial and you're able to create these bright, beautiful eyes yourself. Remember, only using 2 eyeshadows from the Huda Beauty palette in Nude. And yeah, so please don't forget to subscribe, guys, and continue to watch. And please, 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 if you have any suggestions of things that you would like to watch during this isolation, please do comment below, and I will do my very hardest to record this for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.